I'm gonna go ahead and make this Brewer's Best Robust Porter. This thing. Recipe. Alright, green bag. Lammet hops. Those are always good. Oh, Magnum. I've been using Magnum hops before. Interesting. I'm not using bottle caps. I'll keep them on hand anyway. A couple of these. This here. And some chocolate, crushed barley. It looks like there's a whole blend in here. Black barley, brown supreme. Same here. Oh, wow. All right. Some yeast. The good stuff here. Of course, the priming sugar. My filtered water boiling. Add this and this to this bag and tie it off. Go ahead and tie this off. Right there. Go ahead and put the grains in. Just let it drain off. Don't squeeze it.
Oh.
My boy's ripping the scab off his toe. You just let it drip and discard it. I'm gonna bring this up to a boil. To a rolling boil. I'm gonna go ahead and add these Magnum hops here. The other one. Five minutes left in our boil. We're gonna go ahead and add the Lammet hops. Stir it around. In 5 minutes we'll kill the boil and cool it. Boiled this thing for 60 minutes, just killed the boil. Time to cool it off. Right. So if you're smart, you get a wort chiller, do it that way. Or you can do it like I do it. So you sink up cold water and put some ice in there, just give it a nice bath. And so this thing's here just to keep any crap out. So I always like to just crack it a little bit, let the heat out. Okay, while the wort is cooling, I'm going to go ahead and add my filtered water here. Let's go ahead and give this time nice and cold. Optimum temperature for all the yeast. Okay, now I need to just add a little bit more water up to the filtered water up to the 23-liter mark. Got all that junk down there at the bottom, all that goodness. It's a beautiful looking wort brew. Let it sit for a couple weeks. Top one. Oh, not yet. I got a picture of yeast still. So this yeast you actually have to pitch. So I've got more than 100 mils of water here. Might dump some of that out. Then sprinkle the yeast, wait 15 minutes, stir it, wait 5 minutes, then I'll add it to my wort there. But I gotta get rid of some of that. It just says 100 milliliters, so it's also 100 cc's. Yeah, there, about there is good. Got some good looking stuff there. Let's turn around a little bit per the directions. Oh, wait 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I had just a little bit more warm water. Looks like it's it's happy. And I'll go ahead and add that to the wort here. Give it a little stir. Take it, stir about 30 seconds, get that yeast going. All right, this has been in the fermenter for at least 2 weeks, so it's ready to bottle. What I'm doing right now, though, is I got some priming sugar ready to go. So I'm boiling my water. I'm gonna boil it, stir in the priming sugar, and then stir it into here. And it'll be ready to bottle. That'll allow it, priming, it'll allow it to carbonate. All right, it's starting to boil. I'm just gonna kind of stir this in. Pretty soon the sugar will dissolve all the way in here and it'll be totally clear. That's what we want. It's almost there. Okay, let's shut it off. All right, I poured the priming sugar in there. So let's stir it around a little bit. Here is the porter I made, and this is a couple weeks after I bottled it, at least 2 weeks, maybe 3. Oh, that's tasty. It's still, it feels like I could do maybe another week in the bottle. I can still taste a little bit of the sweetness from the sugar, like the same sweetness you taste, you know, if you just had it, like, let's say a week after, but there's just a hint of that, but really you can taste the smoky flavor. It tastes like a good porter. Right, here's that porter. This is after about a month. It's got a little bit on there, not too bad. Oh, it's nice and cold.